Apple has made some quality of life changes to the Messages app in iOS 17, alongside a couple of new features. Let's go over them one by one. iPhone Messages app. There are tons of new features in the Messages app for iOS 17, but you may not notice them right away. In previous years, we got standout features like memojis and inline replies. But for iOS 17, the focus has shifted to quality of life improvements. They're more than welcome though. While these new features might seem a bit more tucked away, they're a joy to discover and use while texting your friends and family. 1. Automatically scroll to where you left off in the message. Catch-up button in Messages, iOS 17. One terrific new feature for group chats is a new catch-up button. If you've been away from your phone for a while or just ignored your friends who won't stop talking in the group chat, you can now automatically scroll to where you left off in the conversation. If you have more unread messages from the group than can fit on your screen, an arrow appears that you can tap at the top right to bring yourself up to the last message you read. 2. Swipe to reply. Swipe to reply in Messages, iOS 17. So much more natural than before. The new swipe to reply function in Messages feels like the perfect convenience feature. No longer do you have to press and hold on a message, then hit reply, just to create a reply thread. In iOS 17, all you need to do is swipe right on any message, and it'll automatically trigger a reply. It's so fast and can be done mindlessly. This feature only works with iMessage conversations. 3. Location now display under the contact's name. Contact locations in Messages, iOS 17. If your friends share their locations with you over the Find My app, their whereabouts are now integrated more deeply into Messages. Right at the top of each conversation where you normally see a contact's name and photo, you'll see their location in small text. It just mentions the city and state, but it offers a quick glance at where your friends are when you message them. Of course, you can still tap the contact name there to bring up the contact card, which offers more details about the person's location, including a map and driving directions. 4. Create your own sticker from a photo. Sure to fuel the next wave of memes for years to come, you can now create your very own message stickers from your photo library. iOS 16's updated visual lookup feature allows you to remove subjects from backgrounds on your iPhone. iOS 17 adds to this by letting you create fun stickers you can send to friends in Messages. As a bonus, if you use live photos on your iPhone, they will automatically turn into animated GIF-like stickers. To create these photo stickers, open a Messages conversation. Tap the plus icon next to the text field and choose Stickers. Navigate to the first category icon, which looks like a blank folded sticker. Tap New Sticker to select a photo, and Messages will automatically cut out the subject and create a sticker to send whenever you want. 5. Audio messages now transcribe automatically. Audio transcription in Messages, iOS 17. If you send or receive audio messages in a message, you should notice they automatically show transcriptions in iOS 17. Your iPhone may need a moment after the audio message appears, but the full text shows in the same message bubble. It may not always be perfectly accurate, but it does a decent enough job of transcribing and provides an easy way to read audio messages when you're not in a place where you can listen to them. Note that the transcription will still disappear along with the audio clip if you haven't set your iPhone to prevent audio messages from expiring. Check-in is an all-new iMessage feature in iOS 17. You can set this feature up with a contact and let them know when you arrive home or at your destination. It's terrific for those who constantly forget to let friends and family know when we arrive safely. To set up a check-in, tap the plus. If you choose the time-based check-in, you'll be prompted after a duration you set to let the person know you've arrived. You have 15 minutes to respond to the notification. Otherwise, the recipient will get a notification that you did not respond. Apple also gives you fine-tuned control over what location data you share and with whom. Apple's Messages app gets quality of life improvements in iOS 17. These might not be the flashiest features to ever arrive on messages for iPhone and iPad, but they all add up to a pleasantly elevated experience. Explore the Messages app to see what other subtle changes you might find in iOS 17, or take advantage of what we've highlighted here, from photo stickers to audio transcriptions and check-in. Messages has gotten a sweet upgrade.